Hello everyone, this is Hubert with Traveling with Hubert. Have something a little different today. On the 29th of October we were near my hometown of Adrian, Georgia, and we made a trip there and made a video. I just want you to understand I've been gone from there for a long time and the memories have faded after nearly 40 years. A little over 40 years to be truthful, and they may not be 100% accurate anymore. The main point I want to make is, though, that the area has changed and changed a lot, and most of my videos are about that in these little towns that we visit, about how they've changed. Before we go on, though, we ask that you subscribe to our channel, Traveling with Hubert. It helps when you hit that like button. Often it looks like a little thumbs up. And if you have something to tell us about the video, please leave it in the comments section. We start by traveling into town, headed north on Highway 15. We come to the traffic light, we make a left, and we travel west on Highway 80 until we get to the school. We do a little tour of the school, then we go on up and we go over one street, one of the back streets, and head back to Highway 15, where we then go back to Highway 80 and head east on Highway 80 out of town, down to the bridge at the Hopi River, which is just a little piece out of town. Then we come back into town and we travel the road that goes down by the Baptist church, and we run back into Highway 15 north of town. Now, on to the video.
You know that sign in view?
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm. Honey, this is
Now the traffic's picked up.
It has. This is a city of Adrian. This is where I grew up, went to high school.
Is the old high school building still alive?
We're going to find out. Like I said, this is Highway 15, Georgia 15. This is where the school used to be,
Where?
right here.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
Used to be a big old brick building here that was the main building where the principal's office was. This has all been redone. This was a high school, and then, like I said, they've redone it.
When did it actually close down, do you know?
I do not know, honey. I don't
And
remember.
where do these people go to school now?
Swainsboro.
How far is that?
About 25 miles. I'll take that back, though. I'm just gonna pull in here, honey. Back out and turn around. But here's the lunchroom.
That was the lunchroom.
Right here, yes. Lunchroom, back of the school.
And you rode the bus?
Sometimes. Sometimes when Mama was coming to town, I'd ride to town with her. Then I'd have to ride the bus home.
Okay. And then did you ever have a car to be able to drive yourself?
Yeah, then when I was a senior, I had a car that I could drive. Yeah.
Okay.
One that Mama no longer used. It was worn out, but it run.
Well, did you like going to school here?
I did, honey.
Did it have very many students back in the day?
Well, there were 24 in my graduating class.
That tells you. Well, it was a pretty nice looking school though for
Yeah.
such a small number of students. All this was here when you was going to school?
Yes, yes.
I can tell that looks like it's been here a long time.
Yeah. And then the old gym is right here, honey.
Mm-hmm.
And there, again, they've put a new front on it. I don't know why, but they did. And this is headed west on Highway 80. You see the sign there that says we're leaving Emmanuel County going into Johnson County. And this is a street, just a little piece up there. It used to be turned into a dirt road, and that's where you went if you wanted to go get romantic, honey.
Oh, is that where you went?
I never did go.
Huh?
I never had anybody to get romantic with, honey. Now, these places have been here for quite some time. It has changed. That little house is still there.
Looks run down now, but back in the day it didn't.
No,
That's a nice house.
that's a
on
nice
there.
house over there.
And that one looks like
It
one end of it's not good. And I mean, I can't tell what's going on with that house.
yeah.
Some houses look like they were kept up, and some don't. It makes the whole neighborhood look bad.
It does. And there's actually a to the right up here where this three-way stop sign is. If you go back in there, there's a houses back in there, honey. Got them a dog. Yeah, this has changed a lot, honey.
That's a fairly decent street.
Yeah, that was a good street back in its day.
You just in a place and there's just no town anymore.
pretty much not anything left here, honey.
Looking all around.
Yes. And there used to be a sawmill right here, right in this area.
Mm-hmm.
And the people that owned it started making these modular homes, and it turned into Adrian Housing Corporation. They built a lot of homes, honey. It's like I said, this is the Methodist church on the right. Oh, poor little doggy. Out for a walk without its master. Whoa, doggy.
He belongs to somebody.
Mm-hmm. All these places are just hadn't been kept up, honey.
And they just live in them until they just fall down.
Looks that way.
Because they can't do anything with them. They still got the Christmas lights. They won't have to do that when it comes time.
That's right.
They have a Dollar General here.
Yes, honey.
Do?
They do.
There's some. That used to be a grocery store. I turned
Yeah, the Food Pride. Yeah, used to be the Clover Leaf and Woman's Groceries. Chapman's Grocery was right there with that, right there on that corner.
Gosh, look at this food mart. Is it still in business?
No.
They just sit
And this
there.
park over on the right here, there used to be a swimming pool and they filled it in.
Somebody's out there playing now.
Mm-hmm. Now here's the Dollar General, honey.
Oh, okay. Well, at least you got a Dollar General.
Yeah.
That's all you can say.
When we had our senior superlative pictures done, we took them in that house right there.
Were
That
you
brick
a
house.
superlative?
I was supposed to be the most talented, honey.
Yeah, boy.
Just the most talented.
I'll put you to smaller.
Well, I took piano lessons for 2 years. And honey, it worked. I can walk into a room and I can recognize a piano.
Okay. Now, are we leaving? Are you?
It don't take much to leave, honey.
Have we left it?
Pretty much. You're outside the city. Well, I don't know. They've extended the city limits.
Well, we got a nice road. Looks good.
This is where they used to make the Adrian modular homes, honey.
That just.
Yeah, it's been out of business for a while.
That's a shame, isn't
It is.
it? Just look at it.
I'm sure that people still need homes, but I just guess it wasn't kept up. Gonna ride down here to this curve. We're gonna turn around and come back.
That's a well, something.
Yeah, see this little metal building right there? That used to be a little family store.
Well, where's your old house at?
We'll go out that way.
Or is it still standing?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it would be falling down. Wasn't it?
Well, it would have been when Curtis bought it.
Oh,
fixed it up.
living in it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And he lived there.
Okay, I forgot that.
Now up here, when we turn to go back toward Adrian, there's nothing there now. There used to be a store there called Thompson's Grocery Store, and there's a flowing well here. They rerouted it. What was flowing out there right across from the dining hall. It used to be right over here, honey. I'll wait for this car to get out of the way.
Were you filming?
Yes, I am, honey.
Okay. And that's you know, look like the same, don't they?
Yeah, they all have about the same purpose. And this is Ohoopee River, honey.
That house was that one was painted.
Yeah, a lot of these houses need a little care, honey. They do. I'm glad they got them at Dollar General.
Was that here last time we came through?
Yes,
No,
but we didn't ride out this way, I don't think, honey.
I don't believe so.
From that station, this jet station, this
that
next
you?
station used to be Harry Frazier's. Then there was another station, and then Millard Douglas's station was up there. Here's the farmhouse cafe that we were told about.
Is it not open anymore?
It's still open, I guess. That's what Margaret Ann said. Have a community center. This used to be a hardware store. And this place up here is the Baptist church. That's where I was baptized. I was baptized in that church. When I say baptized in that church, I mean exactly that. They have a
Yeah, that's what it was over there.
yeah,
Baptist church, you got really in the water.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it was cold. Gosh, it was cold. Oh, this is beginning to look awful down this way, honey. All grown up.
It didn't used to look like that.
No, there used to be people living all along here, honey, in houses. All along here, honey.
There's projects in
Mm-hmm. Those are new. They weren't here when I was going to school here, honey. And honey, you see them cows over there in that field?
there.
There were cows in that field when I was going to high school.